Mahavir ISUZU will handle various vehicle servicing requirements. Dedicated workshop for all ISUZU vehicles, located in one of the key industrial hubs of Visakhapatnam. ISUZU Motors has inaugurated a new workshop in Visakhapatnam. Mahavir ISUZU is the new dedicated service center that will cater to private as well as commercial ISUZU vehicles. This fully operational outlet is located in one of the important industrial hubs of Visakhapatnam on the Chennai-Kolkata highway. It is equipped with all the necessary tools and equipment required to take care of service support. The facility spreads over an area of 22,000 sq.ft. and gets 5 service bays. Technicians professionally trained by the carmaker have been employed. Interestingly, one of the ISUZU certified technician from Visakhapatnam itself had represented Team India in the Global ISUZU Grand Prix technical competition held recently. Mahavir ISUZU adds to ISUZU's network of touchpoints already operational in Rajahmundry, Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. The inauguration of this new service station also brings the tally to a total of 45 ISUZU facilities across India.